I start making this card by using white color paper, and then I make a drawing for candle. So I'm using this yellow, white and blue color, and then I color these whole things and then give some details with using green and brown and some another shade of yellow. And then this is how it is looking after some details. And then I give a spray effect with white color to give a snow fall effect in front of this card. So now this is how it looking, and then we are going to do the decorations and drawing into this inside this card. So I used to make a circle. I'm going to make three circle, and then I am doing this without scale so it look natural, and then I use red color to paint this whole. I'm using this acrylic color because it is shiny. So your card look nice. But if you have some another color like pencil sketch or any other color, you can use that color too. I'm mostly using this acrylic paint because it is washable, and it does not, it's also shiny too. So I'm using this brown color to make these lines. I do it roughly to look natural. So after that I'm using this golden color to make these dots. This golden color makes it look festive card. So this is going to be look so nice after doing this. This golden color is very dark and like a copper color. So it's okay, it look nice. If you don't like this color, use yellow and then use this color so it will look light, it becomes so light. So now this is how it is looking. So I have made another circle with using glass. So this circle is a little big, and I'm using brown to make this circle. I make a knot here. I'm going to make another candle here, like the front of this card, and then using the same yellow color. This is from Fabric Creole yellow color, and after that I use camel yellow color. The both yellow colors are different in these two companies. This Fabric Creole yellow color is a little bit light, but the camel yellow color you can see is a little bit dark, light and more yellowish. So I used to make that camel color to the candle. Like this I'm making the base of the light, and then using a little bit orange I just pick a little extra orange, so I use this camel yellow color. You can see the difference of these both yellows. This will give a extra light to this candle. Now it is looking perfect. I have given some shades here, and then after all of these I am using green to make some decoration, and let this card finish. You can randomly draw this green leaves. Sometimes random stuffs and random drawings look perfect. You can see I have not used pencil here for these leaves and another candle, etc. You can directly make it, and it will look nice. So this is perfectly completed here, you can see. Now it is, the background is looking not very nice. So like this white snowfall, I'm going to make another snowfall. It's not kind of snowfall, I'm making the background with using sparkle colors, like I have used red and blue sparkle colors and spray it using a paintbrush. So this is how it is looking. Inside of the card you can write the wishes, and then the front is the same like this. You can write anything if you want inside the card. So if you like this video and want to make it, please like and subscribe my channel.